According to Stanley Miller and Harold Urey, chemical evolution was the base of Earth being evolved. How did they explain it? They explained through a very important setup, which is spark discharge setup. In the early Earth, which was a reducing type of atmosphere, there were certain gases such as methane, ammonia and hydrogen. Obviously, water was there in atmosphere which was getting heated, condensed and coming down as rain. And these gases, if you ask me, it was in the ratio of 2:1:2. So, when these water were coming down as rain and lightning obviously happened. So, due to these lightning and water, these chemicals could mix up. If you want to see how these mixed in a setup, you can see here, this is the setup what we have done. So, you can see here the water is being boiled and then it passes on through this tube and comes into the place where the tungsten rod is passing on its spark. And these are the gases, as I told, you have methane, you have ammonia and hydrogen, and yes, obviously we have the steam water. And these gases got mixed and formed into new forms such as amino acids, sugar and also fats. So, these were the most important molecules for forming any living organism. With this, Stanley Miller also proved chemical evolution.